So, Bournemouth 0, Arsenal 4. A resounding victory down on the south coast. Lovely jubbly. Best performance of the season, by the way. Even Kai Havertz played well today. Yes, clip that. Lee, you're in the mud. Kai Havertz scored. We're going to get to all of that in a second. Make sure you are smashing the like button through the roof. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along. Appreciate each and every one of you. We're currently sat here watching Girona versus Real Madrid. Top of the table clash in Spain. I would say under the floodlights, but it's still extremely sunny in Spain right now. Still extremely hot as well. But anyway, I digress. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Give us your thoughts. Who played well today? Who was your man of the match? Me personally, my man of the match was Saka because he gave a penalty to Martin Odegaard after he'd scored. And he then gave another penalty to Kai Havertz. Man was doing charity work today. Yeah, man was feeding more people today than Marcus Rashford, put it that way. But anyway, we see the starting 11. We're like, oh, Havertz in the starting 11 again. Why? Reece Nelson benched after scoring and hitting the post the other day, played all right against Brentford. Why? Eddie Nketiah, fresh off of the back of not doing anything against Brentford, in the team again. Why? And let's be real, we scored against the run of play people. Yeah, it was not a great opening half an hour of that game. Yeah, it really wasn't. And we were letting them into our box way too often. They were getting in and around us. Great defending from Gabriel. I thought he was outstanding today. Saliba as well. But we scored. Saka scored. Lovely cross from Martin Odegaard. Gabby Jesus heads it. Not sure whether he was trying to head it back across goal, but it went towards goal, hits the post, and the keeper had dived. And Saka nods it in, tap-in header, comfortable, easy. And then after that, again, we were here and there. Yeah, it was like end-to-end stuff without them having any real quality. We then get the penalty. Lovely from Eddie Nketiah, nailed on penalty. See a few people in my watch, I'm saying definitely not a pen. Nailed on penalty. Yeah, didn't get the ball, got the man. Yes, it was theatrical, but at the same time, he didn't get the ball. He got the man. And Saka standing over the penalty, and we're like, right, ping this in, mate. You're on for a hat-trick. And he then gives it to Odegaard, which I was like, wow, you're now putting Odegaard under mad pressure because you were standing over that ball for a good minute or two. The keeper's thinking you're taking the pen, and now you've given it to Martin Odegaard. And I don't like these little stuttery run-ups. He started really wide, went in with real pace, and then stuttering slowed down. But what a penalty. Yeah, when it hits that side netting, that whippage to the side netting, Harry Kane does it all the time on penalties. Yeah, he don't do the stuttery run-up. But Martin Odegaard, fair play. Yeah, great finish, 2-0 up. And we're like, boy, that's it. Game over. Finished. Yeah, they ain't coming back from that. They're not coming back from that. And they didn't come back from that. Second half, again, they showed a bit of willing. They had a go. No real quality, really. To be fair, it was a weird game because the game only really opened up after we scored, like properly opened up after we scored the third goal. But David Raya could have had a cigar on the go today. It was just comfortable. It was light work. And we then get another penalty. I don't know why Martin Odegaard didn't shoot. We squared it back. It's on his left foot. Why are you ball rolling it from under your studs to set yourself? Just run onto it and slap it. Listen, obviously it worked out all right because he won the penalty. And then we're like, right, now Saka's going to take this one. And then all of a sudden we see Havertz and we're like, bro, I'm like this. I'm like, if he misses this penalty, I don't think he'll recover. But cool as a cucumber, he tapped it in the bottom corner, sends the keeper the wrong way. And 3-0. I wouldn't say flattered us because it didn't. Yeah, I thought we were worthy of the 3-0. I thought we created the better chances. They couldn't defend so well. We were defending great, limiting them to next to nothing, scraps. If they had a bit more composure in the final third, then it might have been a different story because they had some good openings and good chances. But ultimately, Gabriel was there, Saliba was there. Ben White, I thought, got better and better throughout the game. He started off so crap, I can't lie. Yeah, and when it went 3-0, I'm like, at that point, get Saka off the pitch. Just get him off the pitch. Yeah. He's given 2 penalties away to his teammates. We're 3-0 up. Just wrap him up in cotton wool for Lons on Tuesday. But we kept him on, and it looks like he's now injured again. I can't lie. These Heinekens are sliding down real quick. I can't lie. Declan Rice, I thought was superb today. Absolutely superb performance from him today. Zinchenko, somebody I've been on since he's got here. I thought he was superb today. Yeah, and as a collective, I don't see any player that played badly today. I really don't. Yeah, there was bad moments in games. Ben White had some bad moments. Kai Havertz, yeah, had some bad moments. Eddie, that's a ball. Oi, 1-0 Real Madrid. What a finish. Keeper should have saved it. Hoslu was putting 1-0 up. He caught it and pushed it in. What a pass outside of the boot. But anyway, top Los Blancos are loving life against Girona, Man City's second team. Anyway, Ben White then tops it off with a 4-0. Smith Rowe comes on. I thought he'd done all right when he came on. I wanted to see Odegaard go off. I wanted to see Jesus maybe go off or Saliba go off. But we'd used all our subs. We'd literally used every single sub. That ball was mad from Jude Bellingham, by the way. Outside of the boot, took out 4 players. What a goal. Yeah, if you ain't seen it, outside of the boot, Jude Bellingham arced the ball, Joselu straight at the keeper, and the pace took it in. The keeper parried it. What a goal. Anyway, we had some good goals today. Yeah, we had some good goals today. Ben White's goal. Yeah, the penalties. I thought we took our penalties extremely well. Listen, penalties are not easy. People go, oh, but it's a non-open play goal. Don't care. Penalties count, people. Penalties do count. Yeah, and that was a big confidence boost, especially when City lost as well. Yeah, now listen, I'm not going to get giddy. I'm not going to get above my station. I'm not going to go hype. You know, we've been there, done that. We were 93% champions last season. Yeah, but the one thing I will say, yeah, that is a nice victory away to a team that hadn't won a game this season, as far as I'm aware, or hadn't won at home, whatever it was, the stats somebody put in my chat. Yeah, that could have been a tricky banana skin. Yeah, we've seen how dodgy this league is. Wolves beat Man City today. I think they only had 1 shot on target and scored twice. My boy Pedro Neto doing bits again, by the way. Yeah, maybe sign him up in January. But let's talk about Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz. Is this the confidence boost he's going to need? Because everyone keeps talking about what he does off the ball. Everyone keeps talking about how he needs confidence, how he needs to grow into the role. Yeah, I thought we were done with these experiments. Yeah, and these projects and phases and stuff like that. Like, I thought we were at the point in our trajectory where we now go and get final pieces of the jigsaw. So to bring in Kai Havertz, and just because he scored a goal, listen, cool, fair play, you got to score the penalty, and I'm sure he was bricking it as he's taken out, thinking all the things I just said. If I miss this, I'm dusted. Yeah, fair play, great penalty. Totally sealed the game off, albeit it was done anyway at 2-0 in my opinion. But he completely ended it as a contest. But is this going to now kick him on? Are we actually going to see a good Kai Havertz? I personally don't think so. All the people that are hype about Havertz, all the people that are running their mouth, oh, you're in the mud. Yeah, it's great for internet traction. Yeah, the fact is, nobody's in the mud. That was his first goal since March the 18th in the Premier League. And that was only his 4th goal this calendar year, since 1st of January. Yeah, but it leads us into Lons very nicely. We've got to navigate through Lons. We've got to make sure we don't get any injuries. We don't know what's happened to Saka as I'm recording this. I have no idea if he's good or not. But he looked battered again, which is why he should have come off as soon as that 3rd goal went in. He kept him on. Even after he went down injured and was limping around, they nearly had a chance. He was still on the pitch. And I'm like, they brought a sub on whilst he's hobbling around the pitch. And I'm like, come on, mate. Like, I don't know what this experiment is with Saka, but you're literally running him into the ground. And I thought he was brilliant. He was man of the match for me today. Yeah, not only for his goal, but the fact he gets kicked a lot. He's tricky. He's always on the front foot. He looked up for it today. He gave 2 penalties to teammates. He could have had a hat trick. He wasn't selfish, team player and all of that. And on that basis alone, I'm giving him man of the match. Yeah, but there was a lot of players that played well today. A lot of players that played well today. And that will reflect in player ratings with Kenny and Jez a little bit later on. Kenny's fan cam's coming up straight after this. Then Jez, Brandon's doing one as well. But all in all, we're 1 point behind Man City. Like I said, I'm watching Girona, Real Madrid. I'm not watching Tottenham, Liverpool. The ideal result in that game would be a draw. If Liverpool win, they go above us. I think if Tottenham win by 2 goals, I think they go above us. Yeah, but Liverpool go top if they win. So, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. And it's now 2-0. Tchouameni's just scored a great header off of a corner. What a header. 2-0 Real Madrid. What a goal. Anyway, we're out of here. Leave your thoughts and feelings down below. Adios, amigos. Ciao.